Hi, my name is Ashwin P. I am here to explain about National Logistics Policy 2022. What is National Logistics Policy? The policy focuses on key areas such as process reengineering, digitization, and multimodal transport. These are the three key pillars. The imperativeness of the National Logistics Policy lies in the high logistics cost as it directly impacts the competitiveness of the domestic goods in the international market. The need for the National Logistics Policy was felt since the logistics cost in India was very high when compared to other developed economies. One such great example is China, where they are doing really well when compared to India. Next, we are moving to the objectives of national logistics policy. First one is logistics efficiency. In order to boost our industrial performance and our economy and productivity, the logistical cost should be reduced and even the storage time should be reduced. Next is multimodal transport. In this, the key aspect is MMLP. It is called as multimodal logistics parks, which, along with the other multimodal transport infrastructure, should guarantee the multimodal cargo movement and usage of all modes of transport. Next is digital tracking. As digital is a key initiative which is being done in our economy, we have to utilize that to improve the in-transit warehousing and to ensure that the freight movement is predictable, visible, and most importantly, trackable and traceable as well. Next is sector modernization. Whatever improvements which are doing in the logistics industry, it will also affect the trade and the e-commerce while also establishing a reliable supply chain. This is how it is being connected to other sectors as well. So when we do any improvement in logistics sector and logistics policy, which is the key objective here, it will impact the other sectors and it will overall improve the Indian economy. Next is the logistics democratization. It should go to last mile. That is the key aspect here. One such aspect is farmers and MSMEs. It has to go till then. Only then the national logistics policy will be of main use. Next is logistics performance index. The performance index currently, at the time of the policy devising, that is like 2022, it was around 30, and it has to reduce to 25 to 30 in the next 5 years. That was the main plan. Next is ULIP, Unified Logistics Interface Program. It will be discussed in detail in the next slide. And the main purpose is to provide a framework that will allow the authentication of all logistics related transactions. It has three layers under it. Next is logistics cost as a percentage of GDP. The current figure is 13 to 14%. It was in 2022. And the India aims to cut the logistics cost by 5% in the next 5 years, which is the plan of this National Logistics Policy 2022. Now we are moving to the key building blocks of NLP. There are four main blocks. First one is digital integration system. By integrating digitally the all logistics operations, it will be very seamless and it will make the whole entire logistics operation very efficient. Next is Unified Logistics Interface Platform, which was discussed in last slide. The main aim is unification. That is, there should be only one portal. That portal should be accessible for all the manufacturers, exporters, and it should collapse all the logistics and transport into a single unified thing. This is the second aspect. Next one is ease of logistics services. Here, the key important initiative in NLP is e-logs. It is a digital platform wherein it is focused for speedy resolution. Whatever issues which are faced by all the logistics providers and even the manufacturers and exporters, it will be resolved quickly through this e-log platform. Next is comprehensive logistics action plan. There are multiple dimensions to it. The key four dimensions include logistics systems, the integration of logistics systems, standardization of physical assets, then service standards, then HRD, that is human resource development. If all these four in tandem work, the logistics policy, it will improve the logistics policy. That is these are the four building blocks. Next is logistics cost reduction. Coming to logistics cost reduction, it comprises of four pillars. That is, there are four different aspects of logistics where it's being involved. First one is transportation, second is warehousing, third is inventory, next is order processing or admin. There are different percentage reduction standards set for each. First, for transportation, it should reduce to 4, then warehousing to 2.5, inventory to 1, then order processing to 0.5. In this, you can see transportation and inventory are the key main pillars here. And among that, inventory should reduce more than 50% from 2.5% to 1%. Thus, if we involve all the other aspects in tandem. It will improve the national, I mean, it will improve the logistics and finally the Indian economy as a whole. Thank you.